हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू चाणक्य ग्रुप ऑफ इंस्टीट्यूट। आज वही नेक्स्ट हम कंटिन्यू करेंगे जो हमने प्रीवियस क्लास में किया था। सो नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक आइडेंटिटीज। ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक identities. There are three trigonometric identities. That is, first one is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. The second identity is cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. This is the second identity. Third identity is secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. These are the three identities. That is, first one is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Second one is cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Third one is secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. We can rewrite as either you can use cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. This is the first property, that is cos square theta is equal to 1 minus square theta. We can rewrite as first property as sin square theta as 1 minus cos square theta. Similarly, we can rewrite the second property as cosecant square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta, or we can write as cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta minus 1. Similarly, we can write as tan square theta is equal to secant square theta minus 1, or secant square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. So these are the three properties, and next six are the derivation of these three properties. So on the basis of these properties, let us discuss one question. So here's the first one question. If sin theta plus cosecant theta is equal to 2, then what is the value of sin की पावर 20 theta plus cos की power 20 theta is equal to. So you have to find the value of sin की power 20 theta plus cos की power 20 theta. So here it is given that the sum of sin theta and cosecant theta is equal to 2. So as we know cosecant theta is 1 upon sin of theta. So by taking LCM, sin square theta is equal to 1 upon sin theta. So cross multiplication, sin square theta plus 1 is equal to 2 sin theta. So आप 2 sin theta को लेफ्ट हैंड साइड लेके आओगे तो ये बन जाएगा मेरे पास sin square theta minus 2 sin theta plus 1 is equal to 0. So here this is a square minus 2ab plus b square, क्योंकि 1 का स्क्वायर क्या रहेगा, 1 ही रहेगा. तो मैं अगर इसको प्रॉपर फॉर्म में आइडेंटिटी यूज करूंगा तो मेरे पास बन जाएगा a माइनस बी का होल स्क्वायर. सो हम इस टर्म को किस तरह से लिख सकते हैं, साइन थीटा माइनस 1 का होल स्क्वायर. टेकिंग स्क्वायर रूट ऑन बोथ साइड, so you will get sin theta minus 1 is equal to 0, or sin of theta is equal to 1. If sin theta is 1, then it's reciprocal. We have discussed in the previous class. The reciprocal is cosecant.